may we present to you a culturally significant book from the collection of the Tyumen Regional Scientific Library, named after Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, the monograph "Russia and France" by Ilya Fadeevich Tsion. Ilya Fadeevich Tsion, Russian and French psychologist, medical doctor, professor, international adventurer, financial fraudster, and publicist. Despite his undeniable natural talents, recognized by many of Tsion's contemporaries, he failed to achieve his full potential due to his unethical behavior, his political and ideological views. Having taken up journalism in the 1880s, Ilya Fadeevich became the editor of a French newspaper, Gall. This period was characterized by substantial changes in Russian-French relations. In his articles, Tsion strongly supported and promoted the idea of an alliance between the two countries. Following this, he published extensive memoirs and documents on this process. Ilya Fadeevich believed that this was where the future lay. It's uncertain, as some say, that he was the father of Entente, but nevertheless, this union affected the fate of many countries. The monograph "Russia and France" was published in 1890 and only in French during the author's lifetime. Essentially, it speaks for the need for the two countries to form an alliance. Prior to this, Ilya Fadeevich, while still in Russia, wrote articles on popular science topics. Although prolific, many articles failed to achieve success, and in some cases his work wasn't appreciated in the scientific community. Additionally, the author was still dreaming of his own scientific laboratory. Seeking to finance this, he began to speculate on the stock exchange and traveled abroad as a result. Tsion was very successful and formed close acquaintances with bankers and politicians, becoming a trusted figure. These skills and contacts proved useful when he was appointed as an agent of the Russian Ministry of Finance based in France. That's the time he created this monograph. On the front page of the book, which is kept in the funds archives of the Tyumen Regional Scientific Library, there is an ex libris of the Grand Prince Vladimir Alexandrovich. The capital letters and regalia are intertwined in the center to form a kind of a cross. Vladimir Alexandrovich was not only fond of military affairs, as he was also the president of the Academy of Arts. Vladimir Alexandrovich was the son of Alexander II and the brother of Alexander III. He enjoyed a successful military career during the reigns of the three emperors. He augmented his library with books from his father's collection when he came in their inheritance. Tragically, in 1917, books from his joint collection were sold randomly and by weight. Sadly, many books are now brought. As part of the collection of rare books of the Tyumen Regional Scientific Library, this edition is enclosed in a protective, acid-free container, eliminating external destructive atmospheric effects on the fabric of the book. It is stored in a strictly flat position on a shelf with special climatic controls. You can read more about Russia and France by Ilya Fadeevich Tsion in accordance with the rules for using documents from the rare book collection.